Welcome and ABCC Positive Change Management Talk. This is the place where you can find an holistic approach to support you, your team, and your organization with change management topics. Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management. I am Aldona Blondin, founder and owner of ABCC. And using my almost 30 years working experience in global companies, today, as a solopreneur, I want to help managers and organizations to go through the transition phase, which is sometimes very challenging, and to reach business objective of the change initiative and maintain high employees engagement. Change management is a discipline of business knowledge and can be defined as a comprehensive and structured approach for transitioning individuals, groups, or organizations from a current state to a future state with intended business benefits. It helps to align, integrate and structure people, projects, system, structures, and culture. During my pretty long-lasting career in the global organization, I had opportunity either to be a part of the change team or also to lead my own change initiative. Not my own, the change initiative for my companies at this time. Well, at this time, I would have liked to have had this knowledge, which I have today. Because today I know that there are a lot of models, plan, structure, aspects which it's really worth to take under consideration when I was planning my change and when I was executing this one. Definitively with this knowledge, I will be much more effective and happy. Let me now to support you, your team, and your organization with all this change management topic. I will support you with my energy, with my expertise, and with my experience. Why not to have 3 minutes online coffee? First one is on me, and then you can discover how I can work for you and with you. Book your call today on aldonablondin.com. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.